Hey, Judy Hicks with Remax Coastal Real Estate here with Mark Downing with Cornerstone Homes. Man, is this the perfect Jacksonville, Florida day or what?
Florida postcard.
You know what? This is a good day to be a builder, isn't it?
Every day is a great day to be a builder. What's special about today is we're out here at Crosswater at Pablo Bay at the very beginning, watching things happen. I know it doesn't look like a subdivision, but Judy, 8 months from now, there's going to be houses everywhere.
And we are doing a Dirty Boots tour. We started calling it the Muddy Boots tour, and then we realized that it wasn't raining. So the Dirty Boots tour, and we're going to follow, thank you very much for allowing us to follow you through this neighborhood, and pardon the pun, but we want to ask you quickly to talk about the foundation of what all of this, how did all of this happen, because we know that by the end of the year, people will be celebrating the holidays here.
Well, you know, the foundation is the most important part of construction. And just like the foundation of a home, there's a foundation to starting a development as well. You're seeing the early stages of it. You're seeing a lot of earth-moving equipment. There's water pipe, there's sewer pipe in there. The storm water's coming next. Next time we get together, there's going to be streets cut in. There's going to be curbs. We'll maybe go to our model lot where that's going to be.
Awesome. Well, follow us on Twitter at Judy Hicks, on Facebook, Judy Hicks Realtor Facebook, judyhicks.com. Be sure to follow us, and me and my flip video will come your way. Thank you, Mark.
Thank you, Judy.